West Asia war is entering a dangerous new phase. Iran steps up attacks after a new supreme leader, Mojtaba Khamenei, the son of the late Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, takes charge. Iran has launched fresh attacks across the region. In Bahrain, an Iranian drone strike hit the Babco oil refinery in Sitra. At the same time, Iran has escalated its attack on Israel. Ballistic missiles were seen over the Jerusalem region, releasing multiple smaller bombs mid-air. Israel has accused Iran of deploying cluster bombs. The war is also taking a human toll. One person has been killed in central Israel after an Iranian missile strike. Meanwhile, US is signaling that it remains fully engaged in the conflict. US Central Command has released video showing American forces destroying Iranian missile launchers and military positions. Across the Gulf, countries are on high alert. Saudi Arabia and Bahrain have condemned Iran's attacks. UAE says its air defenses have intercepted more than 100 Iranian drones since the war began, while Qatar accused Tehran of betraying Arab countries.
It saddens us what our dear country and Arab sisterly and friendly countries have been subjected to, from unprecedented attacks that can't be justified under any pretext by Iran. Bahrain has always been and will remain a nation of peace that has never initiated hostilities against anyone and has only pursued the path of cooperation and good neighborliness.
Back in Iran, amid the political transition, the Iranian foreign minister blames US for regional instability.
The fact is that the aggressors in their targets and in their attacks against Iran make no distinction between any of Iran's ethnic groups and make no distinction between any segment of Iranians. Have no doubt about this fact.
The rise of Mojtaba Khamenei could signal a more hardline phase for Iran. And that means the West Asia war may be entering an even more dangerous chapter. Bureau Report, India Today.